When we are born, our prefrontal cortex is not very developed at all. And this is what makes us different to lots of different animals. So cats, for example, have basically no prefrontal cortex at all. And we are similar when we are born. But as we grow up, we get more and more of those connections. So more and more of those neurons are talking to each other in the prefrontal cortex. So that's why you have to keep practicing things to keep those connections strong in your brain so that you can remember how to do it. Fab question.
So can you shake your head a bit? Can you see what happens to the waves? Can you see what happens to the brain waves? I guess that's what happens when you're stressed. So when you're stressed and you see that the signature of your brain will change. So can you shake it again and let's see? You see? Fantastic.